Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we were doing revision of different topics from your GK book. So in that row today we were revising about famous leaders of the world. Now here you have to take care that we were not doing only about the famous leaders of our country. Here we will do about famous leaders of the world. Famous means about them many of you were knowing it, and they are quite popular among the common people. So that means that is famous. So now famous leaders of the world, if I have to talk about famous leaders of the world, I can make many names. Even the leaders of today's time also, there are few of the leaders which are quite famous. And if I have to talk about those leaders, that is in the category of famous leaders of the world, so if I talk about the leaders from the previous time or the past time, so one of the huge name is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, which is, he is also known as the father of the nation in India. Fine. It is not, he is not known as father of of the world. He is known as father of the nation in India. In India, he led the country struggle for freedom from British rule. Now, few things about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was born, and the full name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in the year 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. And after schooling, he went to other university to got a degree in law. Basically, by profession, he was a lawyer. He was a lawyer, and but later on in the year 1869 or 79, around of 1870 to 80, he found that he went to South Africa to do his lawyer degree, and after this law education, he was practicing over there only in South Africa. But he realized that Indians were dominating by other countries, and they were not allowed to do each and everything. So at that time he found that he must left this profession and do something for our Indian people. At that time, our India is ruled by British government, and these Britishers were not allowed or were not giving permission to Indians to do each and everything. Not only in education, instead in each field. Few of the people of our country is getting such dominated by them that they won't be able to come up, and they won't be able to gain or worth for their day to day life. So in such kind of a situation, Mahatma Gandhi has taken that pledge that I'll bring freedom for them. So freedom is the only motive. When he was left the job and joined, uh, came back to our country, and then started working for the freedom. Then in 1885, they have laid down the foundation of Indian National Congress, and by the help of few of the British people only. And then later on, finally in 1947, our country got freedom from British rule. So that was the a bit summary of what Mahatma Gandhi ji, uh, and meanwhile he was done lot many, बहुत सारे सत्याग्रह आंदोलन, ये भी मैंने आपको बताया है। एंड एक नमक सत्याग्रह, नमक आंदोलन भी इन्होंने किया कि दैट इफ द सॉल्ट वॉज प्रिपेयर्ड बाय द ओशन वी कैन ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर इट, वाई वी आर गोइंग टू बाय दैट सॉल्ट फ्रॉम दैट ब्रिटिशर्स। उसको दुगने दाम में वो बेचते थे, तो वाई शुड वी टेक इट फ्रॉम देम, हम उनसे क्यों लेंगे, वी कैन मेक दैट सॉल्ट देम सेल्फ। सो दैट इज वॉट दे बिलीव, तो दैट इज महात्मा गांधी। नाउ वॉट एल्स इज देयर, दैट इज, ये तो हो गया महात्मा गांधी। महात्मा गांधी को हम फादर ऑफ द नेशन बोलते हैं, ऑफ आवर कंट्री। नाउ विल कम टू अ वेरी फेमस लीडर, दैट इज नेल्सन मंडेला। Very famous leader, that is Nelson Mandela. And just like that, our country is suffering from under the British rule. वैसे ही कुछ लोग they were suffering over there in South Africa. Actually South Africa जो continent है, that was made by different people. जो tribal people भी थे, they were also coming in that country and they were living over there. Now Nelson Mandela fought for equality of the people in South Africa. There also this kind of a discrimination was there. वहाँ पे भी जो गरीब लोग या जो ऐसे लोग थे, those who are not well off, तो उनको ये परमिशन नहीं थी कि they are going to do each and everything according to their wish. तो उनको भी they were also dominated somewhere. Then Nelson Mandela fought for their rights. He became the president of South Africa. Later on he became the president of South Africa. Now he received the Nobel Peace Prize. Nobel Prize for Peace he won. So that is Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela, again a huge name in the history of South Africa. Fought many times, went to jail also for the well-being of tribal people. So very important that you all will learn, that is how Nelson Mandela fight for them. Now Nobel Peace Prize, and about this Nobel Prize I have told you that was the best prize of the whole world, that is your Nobel Prize. So very important that you all are going to remember that. Now what next? Next is Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King Jr. He fought for the rights of African American people in the United States of America. Now about Martin Luther King Jr., there are few of the people, African people, those who came from Africa and started living in USA. Now these people are called African American people. Actually they are coming some part of Africa, and then they live in America, but still they are counted as black people and African American people. Nowadays that kind of a discrimination we will see. Now what happened to that? Martin Luther King Jr. had a thought that if the people are coming from our country and contributing in the economy of our country, economy of USA, United States of America, because earlier USA was quite small state, but later on many states have combined and then this complete USA will be formed. So if that particular part of that state that was taking in USA, and then that work is, they were doing the work and they were contributing for that, so why they will not get the chance to get that kind of a freedom or that kind of a standard which American people were getting. So Martin Luther King Jr. fought for that. Very important name in the history, in the cases of famous leader Martin Luther King Jr. So at that time when this fight was going on, how African American people will get the right, at that time only George Washington, which is the next leader you can see here, George Washington, was the first president of United States of America. First president of United States of America. Now about George Washington. George Washington had a thought that if they were contributing in our country, then they must be getting the same right. And the support of George Washington, this Martin Luther King Jr. will get it. Now he is also called, now George Washington has done miracle for the people, African people, those who are living in America. So he is also known as father of his country, of his nation. So that is very important. Fine. So we have done about 4 leaders here. Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi doesn't need an introduction, famous leader of the world. Then father of our nation, and he fought for the country's freedom from British rule. Different Andolan and Satyagraha were held at his time. Nelson Mandela again fought for the equality of South African people. Now then he became the president of South Africa. Now while they were fighting for the freedom of South African people, he went into jail. Nelson Mandela went into jail, and there the jailer which was there was very cruel, बहुत ख़राब था, और वो नेल्सन मंडेला जी जो थे उनको बहुत परेशान करता था. But once Nelson Mandela will become president of that state, once he met that jailer in the restaurant, एक दिन वो उनसे मिला, and then he said कि okay fine, you can sit with me and you can eat. उन्होंने उसके साथ बैठ के खाना खाया, already paid the bill of him also, and later on somebody has asked कि आपने उसका बिल भी पे किया, आपने उसको छोड़ भी दिया, बट उसने आपके साथ बहुत बुरा किया था. सो नेल्सन मंडेला हैज सेड कि वो उसका नेचर था एंड दिस इज़ माई नेचर. सो लर्न, दिस इज़ अ शॉर्ट स्टोरी फ्रॉम द लाइफ ऑफ नेल्सन मंडेला. लर्न फ्रॉम दिस. अगर कोई आपके साथ बुरा करता है तो दैट इज़ देयर नेचर, बट आप सबके साथ अच्छा करें. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट थर्ड leader, that is Martin Luther King Jr. And again he fought for the African American people. Now why we have taken this name African American people? The people, those who belong to Africa but right now they were living in America. So Martin Luther King Jr. का ये कहना है कि if they were contributing in the economy of that state or of that country, then why they will not get that kind of a freedom, they will not get all the rights. So that is your Martin Luther King Jr. Now last of this page, that is George Washington. George Washington was the first president of the United States of America. Now he is also called the father of his country. Now at that time when Martin Luther King Jr. was fighting for the South African people or African American people, जब उनके राइट्स के लिए वो लड़ रहे थे, एट दैट टाइम जॉर्ज वॉशिंगटन, हु इज़ द प्रेसिडेंट, फर्स्ट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका, ही हैड अ थॉट कि येस, वॉट एवर ही इज़ टेलिंग टू अस वो बिल्कुल करेक्ट है and we have to follow that. So at that time he is also called the father of his country. और फिर उन्होंने same rights will be given to the African people also and the American people also. So now that is your this page. Now we'll come to next page. Now two more famous leader, Margaret Thatcher. Margaret Thatcher, known as the Iron Lady, was the first woman in Europe to become the Prime Minister of a country. Now she became the Prime Minister of Britain 3 times. She became the Prime Minister. Now Margaret Thatcher, she is also known as Iron Lady and was the first woman in Europe to become the Prime Minister of a country. Now she became the Prime Minister of Britain 3 times. So that is Margaret Thatcher, a huge name in that. Now again, why she is known as an Iron Lady? Because she is taking stand for each and everything, whatever the people, the poor people and the tribes which left behind, for them she fought. So she has taken this name and she became the Prime Minister of Britain 3 times. That is Margaret Thatcher. Now the next name that you can see here, Aung San Suu Kyi. Aung San Suu Kyi. Aung San Suu Kyi was awarded with the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1991 for her struggle in human rights and democracy in Myanmar. Now children, if I talk about Myanmar, which is our neighboring country also, neighboring मतलब जो हमारी country के आसपास जितनी भी countries है, in that country, one of that country is Myanmar. In Myanmar, the condition of women is pathetic, is quite poor, बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब थी, and they are not having any right, any decision to take it. उनको कोई राइट नहीं था, उनको कोई अधिकार नहीं था दैट दे कैन टेक देयर डिसीजन देयर ओन. अब इसमें क्या हुआ कि जो ऑन्ग सान सू की थी, उन्होंने डेमोक्रेसी के लिए, ह्यूमन राइट्स के लिए आवाज़ उठाई एंड फॉर दैट आवाज़ शी गॉट नोबेल पीस प्राइज इन द ईयर 1991. अभी क्या हुआ, बट जो ऑपोजिशन के जो लीडर्स थे, दे डोंट लाइक इट. उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने बोला भैया आपको प्राइज़ नहीं मिला है, प्राइज़ मिल गया है, ओके फाइन, नाउ व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, यू हैव टू सिट इनसाइड योर हाउस. आपको बाहर निकलना नहीं है, आपको बाहर नहीं निकलना है. एंड आफ्टर दैट वो 15 ईयर्स तक वो अंदर अपने ही घर में कैद रही. एंड आफ्टर 15 ईयर्स जब उनकी पार्टी जो थी दैट वॉन द इलेक्शन इन द ईयर 2015, तो वो घर से बाहर निकल करके आई. सो दैट इज ऑन्ग सान सू की. सो दीज टू फेमस लीडर, आप देखो इतने फेमस लीडर्स है बच्चे, बट वी आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट. बहुत सारे फेमस लीडर है बट वी आर नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट. अभी आपने ये दीज टू ladies you have seen, Margaret Thatcher, she is already known as Iron Lady. Why? Because she is taking stands for each and every trade of the people, each and every community of the people. जो poor people है, जो tribal people है, उनके लिए भी she has taken stand. So that is Margaret Thatcher. And Aung San Suu Kyi was awarded as the Nobel Peace Prize. अभी Margaret Thatcher देखिए, ब्रिटेन में she became a prime minister of Britain 3 times. Okay, अभी ये बताइए, in India which lady become prime minister for 3 times? Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi become prime minister for 3 times. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also become prime minister for thrice. 3 बार वो भी prime minister बने थे. But if I have to आज क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू लेडी, कौन सी लेडी जो थी वो दैट विल बिकम द प्राइम मिनिस्टर फॉर 3 times, देन योर आंसर विल बी इंदिरा गांधी. ना ऑन्ग सैन सू कई अगेन अ ह्यूज नेम. उन्होंने डेमोक्रेसी का जो सिचुएशन था म्यांमार में दैट वाज वेरी पुअर, और उसके अगेंस्ट उन्होंने आवाज़ उठाई. आवाज़ उठाने पे क्या हुआ, शी गॉट नोबेल पीस प्राइज इन द ईयर 1991. पीस प्राइज तो मिल गया, बट द पीपल ऑफ दैट दे डोंट लाइक इट. उनको वो पसंद नहीं आया, तो उन्होंने उनको 15 ईयर्स तक के लिए शी वॉज लॉक्ड इन हर हाउस ओनली, उधर पे ही बंद करके, नज़र कैद जिसको बोलते हैं. अर्लियर दैट पनिशमेंट वॉज गिवन बाय द ओल्डन राजास. नज़र कैद बोलते हैं. नज़र कैद मतलब जब किसी को पनिशमेंट देना होता था तो उसके घर के बाहर पे 2 सिपाही या कुछ भी बैठा करके, एंड देन दैट पर्सन इज सपोज टू की लिव इनसाइड द हाउस. उसको जो चाहिए सब कुछ वहाँ मिलेगा, बट ही हैज़ टू लिव इनसाइड द हाउस ओनली. वो घर के बाहर एक भी कदम नहीं रख सकता. यू कैन थिंक अबाउट इट कि जब लॉकडाउन हुआ था तब हमें घर के बाहर नहीं जाना था, तो फॉर फ्यू डेज तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा कि 1 दिन 2 दिन 3 दिन बड़ा अच्छा लगा. बट आफ्टर दैट व्हाट डू दे फील कि अरे बाप रे क्या ऐसी कंडीशन है, हाउ वी कैन से हेयर, क्या सिचुएशन है. तो दैट ऑल थिंग्स विल बी हैपन. तो सेम ऐसा ही ऑन्ग सैन सू कई के साथ भी हुआ, एंड शी हैज़ टू सिट इनसाइड, और वह उनको घर के अंदर ही बंद रहना था. क्यों, सो दैट ही शी वोंट बी एबल टू परफॉर्म एनी एक्टिविटी, वो कुछ ना कर पाए. और जो उसकी पार्टी है कैन नॉट, अगर वो कुछ करेगी नहीं, हाउ डू द पीपल नो. बट ऐसा नहीं हुआ. जो उसके साथ और लोग काम कर रहे थे दे विल बी एबल टू डू ऑल द वर्क. उन्होंने काम किया, एंड जो ऑन्ग सैन सू कई की आवाज़ थी दैट वॉज रीच्ड टू द पीपल. एंड इन द ईयर 2015 उनकी जो पार्टी थी दैट वॉन द इलेक्शन एंड केम इन टू पावर इन द ईयर 2015, और फिर वो अपने घर के बाहर निकल पाई इन द ईयर 2015. So that kind of a situation will be there. Now you have been given with a quick quiz. Match the pictures of the leaders with the flag of their countries. You have to match Abraham Lincoln. Now here I am going to talk about few of these leaders. Abraham Lincoln, again a huge name in the famous leaders. Then B.R. Ambedkar, that is father of our constitution. Winston Churchill and Napoleon Bonaparte. So all these names are quite important. You will see this quick quiz, complete this quick quiz, you will match their names with the name of the countries. So now children, I am going to take one quick recap of this page which we have done, and what we have done, that we are going to take it, and after that I am going to finish the video. Now famous leaders of the world, let's revise. Now here if I have to talk about famous leaders of the world, it is not like that we have only these 6 leaders or the 4 leaders which were given in that quick quiz. No, we have many more leaders. If I talk about the freedom of our country, so for freedom of our country, along with Mahatma Gandhi, we have Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and so many, Bhagat Singh, or many famous leaders we were having. So Mahatma Gandhi, I have told you the place of their birth, date of birth. Mahatma Gandhi, the full name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born in the year 1869, and after that, after 1869, in Porbandar, Gujarat, and at the age of 20 years he went to South Africa for the degree of law, and then he found that the condition of Indian people is getting poorer and they were not given all the rights in other countries also. So he left the job of that lawyer and came in India and fight for the freedom of our country. Next is Nelson Mandela, a huge name in South Africa, later on become president of South Africa also. He fought for the equality of the people in South Africa and he became the president of South Africa. All three things are very important. First, he fought for the equality of the people of South Africa. Second, he became the president of South Africa. Third, he received the Nobel Prize for Peace. So all these three things were important. Now Martin Luther King Jr. fought for the rights of the African American people in the United States of America. So that is again important. Martin Luther King Jr. he fought for the rights of African American people. Now those African people who went to America for their rights, this Martin Luther King Jr. has fought in United States of America. Now total states in USA is 50. Earlier it was less, but later on a few small states have been combined with them and then this huge state is formed. Now next is George Washington. George Washington was the first president of the United States of America. He is also called the father of his country, George Washington. Fine, we'll come to next, that is Margaret Thatcher. Margaret Thatcher, which is known as Iron Lady and was the first woman in Europe to become Prime Minister thrice. And why she is known as Iron Lady? Because she fought for the rights of many people. She fought for the rights of many people. Aung San Suu Kyi. Aung San Suu Kyi, again a huge name in the field of different leaders, and she was awarded as a Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1991 for her struggle for human rights and democracy in Myanmar. Now she was under house arrest for around 15 years. Okay, what happened? Aung San Suu Kyi को जब 1991 में she got that peace prize, तो the people those who were sitting in opposition leader, उनको लगा कि if she will become popular तो उनको कोई पूछेगा नहीं, and then just because of that fear they have locked her in his house, in her house only, and after 15 years she came out. कोई पूछेगा नहीं means their power will be less. And after 15 years she came out from her house when her party won the election and came into power in the year 2015. Now here in quick quiz you have been given with the leader, this B.R. Ambedkar. B.R. Ambedkar is known as father of our constitution and he made the constitution once our country got independence 47 May 1947. Then our famous leaders had a thought कि हमारी country के पास भी एक constitution ऐसा set of rules होना चाहिए to rule the country, to govern the country. So they had a thought कि हमें एक अपना rule हमें बनाना चाहिए. And for framing that set of rules, they have chosen Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and that's why B.R. Ambedkar is known as father of constitution. And after making that rule, then our country got republic in the year 1950. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar will become popular in the year 1950. Made the constitution in the year 1950. So that is important because he was an Indian. I have taken that also, and ये भी थोड़ा सा important है, that you will remember. Now I am going to finish our class here. That's all for today, children. Have a good day.